Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Gray, gray color. Sky blue, sky blue color. Blue, blue color. Green, light green color. Lavender, lavender color. Pink, pink color. Rose pink, rose pink color. A for axe. B for bus, bus. C for cake, cake. D for duck, duck. E for egg, egg. F for fruit, fruit. G for grass, grass. H for hippo, hippo. I for ink, ink. J for juice, juice. K for key, key. L for leaf. M for mushroom, mushroom. N for nurse. O for oil. P for potato, potato. Q for question. R for rain, rain. S for sheep. T for train. U for uniform, uniform. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yoga. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Subscribe.